Hello, I'm going to teach today how to tune Tanpura. So Tanpura have four strings. Is tuned the first string with pa notes, second with sa, third is sa, also same tune, and the fourth string one octave low, sa. So let's see how we will use the tuner. For the beginner, you have to download one tuner in your mobile, or like you have other kinds of tuner. So download it. I will show now how you using the tuner. So first string we use here, and I'm tuning C pitch, C tuning. So this one should be in the G now. The first string will be G. So little bit fine tune here. So it's the G now. Then the second string here is C, or we call sa. Sa now here. Check here, the number is coming C3. The first string here G2, and second string here C3. The third string also will be C3. First string with G, second C, and third string also C. But C3 and the fourth string one octave low C. See the third string here again. If you want fine tune, you can do adjust this downward here. And the fourth string also C. C2. So that's what is here now. First string with G, second with C, third one also C, and fourth strings C low pitch. So now your Tanpura get ready to play it. So check again once. G, first string, second string C, and fourth string also with C, third string first with G, then second is C, third is C, and fourth again C, but one octave low. So that's, you see the Tanpura tuning.